We've got an old start, cold start today. I'm going to start the pickup. It hadn't been started since last year, middle of December or so, not bad. But it's Thursday, January 20th, and it's 23 degrees outside. That's, Fahrenheit. And to prove that it hasn't been started or driven, here's the new plate. December 2011. We all see that. So yeah. Now, we're going to make our way outside. Got the keys somewhere. Then get through all the double doors and security locks and all that stuff. And now we have to go out that door. There she sits. It's pretty damn cold outside. A little bit of snow on her. Up on the windows. Yeah, she's a little frozen over. Not too bad. Not really as bad as I figured. Let's see here. Uh-oh. I gotta get the key. So we have the key. This thing has not been started, like I said, whatsoever. I don't even know if the batteries got charged. That would be take two. Thing has not been started. It's the middle of last December, so a little pumpage. Probably with the choke off just because it's a pretty reliable truck. Dead battery.